Komlielpa Prime Minister machon Milobo Kenya Manladit Raila Amolo Odinga tinio ibadeke Jomo Kenyatta International Airport Matin Nairobi Kenya inge aki India kamero toela wuichi adek wabekelo botin man kijema Paul matut tini yup miloga ngay mojuin ento kongo chakineno wi madiro.
At
least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate Alina Echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Kijogo juin lo fwenyo bedo kijemo kene magitimo mekelo chente manobo medical muchara magingino kidoktit mefony.
It is the same teacher 20 years ago, it is the same teacher today, it is the same teacher tomorrow. Why? Because he's good at teaching.
Kigwania district ichiyo mateko wang lutit pagamente pemero wigi iloko mchui bibie kache pego weko tich kit machiek timo kwere.
Ataka board gitini engaging yourself directly into politics.
Amori matek afoyo ketne iwan luo television komete yuk miloga ngiye mochuin dong bino botin kipera tere duju ania sande akumom. Commissioner Maono John Nelo como fonye pagai kwan pa wegine itegankalme fonye kituro man George Mutekanga ulegolo fonye macharo tije muken magen getima apartment kirolim mano buteno ko muchar magamente miu dwe kidwe wekpada ko kokchan tutwal eno wani Maono me kalo fonye ko agaro macharo funyo biachara magaro timne chiam chigidong ching chabet onyo bene karme yuyemo loteno te paino ko timgin moiken maramo kelo chente chingi eno berkalo karmatika fonyo luwiga kwan doju magiti Gulu City iloko makano lim gwakane kibena nyaya lim yoma politral makiyobo igang kwan makilwani mono rooted Christian School matie Igulu City. Wanen kong report man kombete kebot Jackson Kitara pe Wanlu Television.
George Mutekanga, Commissioner Machon, ma uno neno gai fonye pa wegine igang kalmadir me fonye ilobo Uganda, ma kom karne tie director, ma fonyo dano ikid me ti ke gwagol siente, o lego lu fonye me chako timu, gin mo ma kelo siente ichingi, ma wego pegi kwa ki siente mushara ke ken.
It is the same teacher 20 years ago, it is the same teacher today, it is the same teacher tomorrow. Why? Because he's good at teaching. But he's not good at putting in practice what he's teaching. So the purpose of our training, the capacity building, is to enlighten our teachers, head teachers, to know that while we are earning, we should have some investments. While we are earning, we should have some development. But you cannot have investments and development unless you have saved. So the culture of saving is vital. But you cannot save unless you earn. So the 3 or 5 components are very key. So we are beginning with the teachers. Why? Because the teachers propel this nation. The teachers handle the youngest generation.
Reverend Father Charles Onen la chui admoro Cheikh Pilwak Mela Rope Division ma ene yubu fonye man otero pingo en yubu fonye
lu fonye mi alpero ben le nyut me chan bon de terre entre la nyut me wo ma ñen ñu me gën neex lu ko ñoti giti ko wor ki cham mo po lew dem chen ne ban pe gëna mo ci lu ne bi lu wo chen ka poñ bien ko bi lu ko bi ma ko donc lu poñ wa wara ma ko ñi di ning workshop ñu ka ci ma kit man ma tiro yu pe eni ti yo chel me ko lu poñ wa men yang kit yo ngoma gën gëna mo no ko de chente gi go ko de chente gi nyaay ko de chente ko chente ne bono ko
Richard Ironyo la diet maloy fonye Igulu City uminyo tambor lu fonye megwa ko siente gi do gudwa pin tiki siente yo maraj we pe gusia ka gamu li madana ma wero gibero pol kar ki chan.
Your daily income should be above your daily expenditure. How much do you spend a day? And what do you earn in a day? And that You earn should be above what you spend.
Santa Akulu Okera aidi me peje primary school oterni lu fonye mukene udano lon machulu ne tie ka ngayo gi waro dak mukene ka dwe otum gi no muchara ali piara ngwen ke ken pien tiente gi weng iton waro pichulu lon.
Teachers are really suffering. I had the experience, one of my staff had multiple loans and he came to school, he was now walking like a child. I remember writing to the CEO, by that time he used to call him principal, to give him at least leave. And he was given a leave for 2 months so that he can really have a moment to rebuild himself. Even as we talk right now, some people at the end of the month, they have only 40,000 shillings in their account. And sometimes you may be quarreling that teachers are now leaving the school, but it's because of the financial literacy that we don't have in place.
Reverend Sals Obonyo aidi me Rooted Christian Primary School olego ni umiaro kifony lwa duju me Uganda ikiet meti kichente we pedano lanchene gi atata.
Issue of financial literacy be promoted like the promotion of girl child education in Uganda, and this will make everybody rich, especially we in the teaching fraternity.
Waro chente obedo kit ngara chela chel wer igwak chente pidiri no bena itiu chente pira teknika itiu umire gwak chente mo bi konyi pi anyim pilok ange Iwan Luo TV and Jackson Kitara.
Afoidu tuwala na ripoti lako mamaidokero mamachar pole fweni mwa kibot Jackson Kitara yup melugange mochuin. Lotiana makiti na konyi te yup me kwan me nono yup me dero kwan ngufoye matek dul mau chako yup man kludira chule makiti konyi matek yup man te dul me rocho paje kadana weng makiti karaili me pipongo dero kwan wagin gitiki neno pe beru kanyi mabe ngidul mani karman te jirotiano kwan pier bichile makiti ake ganyi palo pero mapegero machulu chente kwan iganyi kwan magen giti yene ikelo tiano kwan makiti Yogen Road Daniel atin kwan achil makwan Gulu High School man ibure peltiano kwan magiti kipero metowang Dr. Kano gume kwan no ite yup me dero kwan eno weni mono yeyom ni mono yup mano bino mi baten gen pe anyima beto tol inge dokchen igang kwan ke kwan labo kit parlok maiken ilokom chente kwan la George pa Wan Luo TV David Magere kele lokman kombeti ilopo ko yup me dero kwan ite rocho pajo.
Lotino magiti ka no kony me kwan nono ite yup me der kwan mati vudjang yup me rojo pajo malo dira choli me kumkare man gu yabo I yu achel me rojo pajo nyugang ya choli gen guti go dwa foj ma ditu twal pe yup man magen gitamuni pere tek to twali ilu kero me kwan gi lotino magi kono gu beru ka miu cha dengi malope ki kare magen gi no I kwan me nono me man petian ma chele inge gen do senior mwa mukaro ikin lotino kwan mukene machalo Ogen Road Daniel Belte Saida matila ten kwan makono kwano I Gulu High School blind annex nyo kama lutiano magiko gito wang tieni enu miyo chadene malope kit makwan tika wot kwere da olego lwak memeta mera gitielo kogi
because what we are doing it is so good, of which I pray, I'm ever praying to God that God should not let this project go down, because it is ever doing a lot in our lives. It is doing something very great, of which it will not help only me, but the whole district and the whole nation. And my prayer is, when I finish my studies, is that I want also to come and then do my best for Rajopajo and for Acholi Salvation. Thank you so much. And what I urge you is, please, let us not be egocentric or stingy, because, we are Acholi here. Hallelujah. There's that kind where we don't want that kind of saying whereby Acholi, maybe Acholi is stingy, or people of Acholi, they are egocentric, but we should at least let us spare. God will give. That is why the Bible says, give and you will be given. Hallelujah. So when we give, when you still give for us who are here, we shall grow up and then do something for you who are giving us. And the benefit will be for our people and for also our generation.
Iyung chiel kono Joan Lamaro Patricia mabene tila tin kwan mi Gulu Central ma en beno no kony ite yup me der kwan ni kono otero ni en pene beru gigen mi kwan kare ma won ne wege wo gi min ne man du yup man ayeo konyo kore matek adada
So, baru punya bagus juga macam double bed di pasir atau di rumah kerja dari pasir. Kerja mana kita bekerja.
Kit meno bene Walter Uchara atien kwana chiel kon bene moko cha dene kon tamoni kon wadi ni eni bedo manno e gomo kwana da ento tere kar malach meno buma charo kit meno
so adeo ga negati deo ga jazi ko yote mero no kwenye adonga di ni la chan anti na bu ni adam ali se chia sitenga kwana ano en madaga kwana ano apenye dana ano kumi mali ba gisi kala shima de ni asina yo ni yari da ozo wera ko kala wero abichi wala
inoni la fuony ochen matie ngat matika dor lok me der kwan i secretariat pamegi kama gen gi choye lo tieno kono omiyo luombo lwak ma ya chule ni yup man me der kwan tika meta nyim
ali beti la tiel tiken waka ya tiel wano romo jogo billion na yari yo e waka tiel no donc on va jogo billion na yo chene ni enoni tikit bol me chen fa Uganda monioni uno mini wa kero mecho lutero mo bol ma pinji ka digi wa pegero mo kwan ento no geria digo marat ya wa jago to chene ni heni kita no planning kwene enta mero wa ni mo karo committee me keto der quality ngoni item scholarship ni ene kilo teno mago badonio karaja chien misinia teno senior 1
koni mwa manyen matika bin no dul mario nyoko hot mena bario no gitika chwar gi gankwan ento yup me jog futika meta nyim malope gi yup me jogu chente me der kwan kono inoni lok makati gi bot ambassador olaro tunu gen gi mogoni itigi yup me rayo pichente kwan idula dek mapapat ma idula chele ye rayo chiling billion abor ikin medwe abichel kadok rayo chiling billion abor mukene ikin medwe abichel mukene mawego no dogo mwaka chel kadakenge ibirayo billion angwen ikin medwe abichel manowa ikin mwaka achiel kinuchu no gen gitiro no chiling maromo billion piario ite yup me der kwan logange wan luo TV David Magere Igulu City
Kitego cheklo tit pagamente magati kwani ya district mejokoro wigilo komchi wibie tutwale kuyimetika bino eni mani kuyima butime mwaka manyene lokmane kati kwere ichia dekla wo kama won komelsi ya beach me district mane Geoffrey Alex Ogwala Diebo oberka loke bolu wigai kwan magati district man ke gankal me district ikana meyo jame fonye ke dong jame yopo pen ikubot gai kwan perechele ngwen magati gai kwan primary magati kwani ya district kunom Ogwala owani mono chektin latit pakamente meken wamia doni tulo kom chimi bie omier ko wek dokti che wek pedok kwanye wako ki tebok chul pakamente bien chek me yep chek pe ye me dodo Mario ne duju iwi ngara chilke ken Solomon Okabo take report committee onen kong kore ke kore
Won kama beach me kwania Geoffrey Alex Ogwala Diebo okwenyuru to governmente ameti kwania mewe kulutu wumgi ikop me wibie ka odonye yera duong me ario ipirio ya bichel Ogwala katu kere kwenye kidman ichi andek ikarameti lokere wedi ipoko peny me temere piklasha biro penya metit kate okao achumu pibera member me parliament daho me kwania omiyo but chukule pira bichel wi angwen ameti kwania
kwataka board gitini engaging yourself directly into politics. Ginaka intro temitwaro guiding jo. Dang pe we kun community worto yero ngatro ken. Unu ticha gamente kere jo amengeo pinga bera mo kwano wori ping pa ko ni jo kan eming guiding un community ko ngam yer. So ana kwa yuni Pay engaging yourself into politics as a civil servant, but guide the community.
Ichiandeki Chabidman, Kate Etito Kao, Amak Bendera, Ite Parime Forum for Democratic Change, FDC, Ichung, maybe the member me parliament Adaho Mekwania, Omi Upen me Clasha Biro, Both Chukula government, Kere Chukula Mechungi Wikikengi, Chukule Pirabishel Yangwen, Penya Motero Millionario, Keralaha Beach.
Yeah, then in turn we will now hand over to the A teacher of our court on behalf of all other A teachers, asking for you to receive it.
Ngomia timu mana neno ni level me performance ikwania tio doho chien donga tamu ni ka timu kiti level me karo senior 1 amede nyim donga bitimu gini kare me wehe promoting dan education.
Mili Ogwal, Oberarol Chukule, district Kwania District Inspector of Schools.
I want you to go and administer this examination as if you are already giving a PLE exams. The date is scheduled for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. It is a Thursday and Friday. Please do not deceive yourself by cheating. Just let the children go and do this examination. It will help you to gauge how your children are. And after doing the exams, please endeavor to have it corrected. Do correction with the children.
Itung bod Andrew Omono, Abu Kome Punyere Kwania, Penyman, Ubini Chawe Kome.
This material is still timely. For us who lead education, it is still timely. Why it is timely? The pupils need practice. And we think that this material can constitute part of a practice that you're going to make with children. If it is executed and corrected, then I think it will be a good opportunity for Kwania.
Oede molo kere wan luo television. Opo etit kate okao. Pime yupenyman.
You are your matek, man me was supported. Man binu konyo. You bupunyere wa kere performance wa meneni watabe.
Penyman binu konyo wa meneno. Ka kwene mere utina watiye. Kao yubere meti yupieli. Yumchui watiye teha.
Kaka miyo jo siente tutumia chielo to miya nyual to matokere guli unuomiero utela du tiu tichatek beneno ni ugudu atina chiel pien kai gudu atina chiel nui gudu wilo waloro.
Kwania district tie kire chukule pirabishel yangwen chukula government kire chukula mechungi wiki kengi otino kwan tutumia rio emi yangwen kire pirabich ena mocho yemeti yupeny me Clasha Biro pi Mohaman alubre kire report iboto bema amebo punyere I district me Kwania Amud pe wan luo television and Solomon Okado Ikwania district.
And in turn we will now hand over to the A teacher of our court on behalf of all other A teachers, asking for you to receive it. Thank you.
Mon makiti kiyajo dokino konki oyat kaberamaido matik kaberamaido district guparo matek radio etop piteno ko gene yo mapol kibene kat kiyop mano oroto teno ko lwak magiti kin pajo dok bene miyo fon kar kikare gen kono go wani ma radio etop tikin radio ma part mati pap vision group magiteno ko yo madon lobo Uganda igeneti radio rupinya ruwa wan kabaleka radio west kidong buke de fama maritim je mapigitego bodana kin pa dak ben gebero chok borlo win radio mameki ite yop man guno ben kon pat dak ben gelimo meg mapol makiti ore yare pole gi paro pilokom tijyotkom maikonye ti district meka bermaido en kele lokomete yop melorange mojun itikanene kanki wonlu television.
Mon oyach apapat ati idwalra duong meka beremaido district meka beremaido enotiko puono jotich me etop radio ameti yerionget me New Vision pi kony karachel kede puony apapat ameda gen kiudo manu wokun ionge kameda jotich me top radio owena karachel kede dwaliro dinywako karachel kede mon memino ge wudo puony opore karachel kede dakopikom amoket ngata lo aika mechato kop me wil ye top radio style kia enokobedo karachel kede kop me yamo.
As Vision Group and sister radio Etop Radio, we normally do a give back service to the community as a corporate social responsibility through our marketing department to hold a maternal health of expectant mothers. And the idea was, one, to share information regarding to expectant mothers, what they need to do when they are expecting, what they need to eat when they are expecting, what they need to know about their health, including testing of HIV, non-communicable diseases, malaria, and also share information of family planning, because we know after birth they need this kind of service as well. We're able to meet mothers. We had some sessions taking them through those, and we had a good time. Mothers shared with us their experiences. As a radio, we love working with the audience who are healthy, and mothers are part of our audience. We really want to encourage them, especially at the time they are pregnant. They should make use of the facilities around them, go for those antenatal visits, get those services from AIC, family planning, antenatal, any other service that is required of a mother. It's because in a facility like this, most of them are free. Mothers can easily walk in and get the service. And at the end of it all, it's for the good of the baby as well as herself. Blood donation, yes, it's being done out there. And this one, of course, we're not targeting mothers. We are looking at the community around to donate. Because we all know recently our blood bank was launched and we need blood in it.
Jotich midwaro eno puoyo akode ayika ni.
Tin wano bere kere gum meno mejome I top radio mo bino le mwe dwandirwa bino lo hogini kere mon oyo mon kita mon miro ruhere kere chema mon miro chami ber apimere chon the HIV te konyo tembe yugi mon wada mod besen chabun kedeskare mono bisho encouraging mon bini yarwao kanyo program orotia mejo chiho radio top por bela chaki na mena na gibini kabara maido ka eto timo ngina ba be mobilizing por pete radio mora kan noro nye kabara maido nye doholo nye amolata amoyo ngini program abero bara top radio timo ngina ba at least they're encouraging monwa me bini dahatan wakan
Opo sana anganyinga Catherine Ripo abede nya teach me do kan am to pone to radio sana me bino kane binogi aneno gikonyo wakede tijama toto moroni pi aneno gikonyo wakede iko chilome dwariro ikonyo wa yamo kede mona yach kede miyo mona yach nyo giamia moroni omio giamia so mdo kwe jome top radio sana pi ticha megi timo ginyuta mara I community me aberemado but mono ayach kede angeo ero chuko chuny mon ayach me bino yarwa apoka duong twatwa because liapola na radio moro kena chiwo bino kan apart kede top radio ngode angebe jo bino ko konyo jo kede teach balang teacher me jome top radio bino ko timo balang kan cleaning jo gini go liapola na radio apart bino timo ango kwach na tiebe beram to geno kede pono jo teach me dwale jo teach me top radio pigiagi timo kede kwach na tem to tebe kadi geo digini to wa mara chala mane mito di kare digibini welawa digi yamo kede monwa miyo gidi doki tialere kuno gibere gidi nyebenyo jome top radio marogi miyo chupo chunjo community da maybe ndwana
bero manga kuda part kile gikokile ni wa Germany bala bese gisabuni omiyo chunjo bere yo wa part ye
Tamba odi kuona tika giponyo wakede kede jama me konyo ai komyo wakede yanga tamba odi kuona loka ibudi
top radio ber puonyo jo kopa mako slem ta jo to mogwakre kede ikombino gi ama bera manga wudo gikelne wa beseni kede sabini kede sukali omiyo chunywa bedo yom apat
Michael Onyinge P1 Luo TV Ikabremaido District
Ikamapat kilowo Uganda anywali Kenya alip ki alip yodiko matin ni guchiero ibade ke Jomo Kenyatta International Airport kajolo kom liel pa Prime Minister Gimachon Raila Amolo Odinga to palieli Odinga utorwe lobo kula woichi ade karmati otiate lobo India ikabero makilu ni monokochi lok mado kati chimini mono kano kom liel lobo time cheng chabit igange mati bondo mani Siaya County en ilobo Kenya konyo pat Robert Larubi tikilok mobile doge matut ilokom jolokom liel kidong yub mekan kom lieli man Prime Minister machon mi Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga.
Kidwaro liel pa Raila Odinga chen ilobo Kenya. Alip kialip padao obino karachiel kajolo liel pa Raila Odinga makikelo ate I Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
Today, Baba, everyone is mourning. Not only Kenya, but the entire universe is mourning. The world is mourning. Africa has lost a son. Your death can only be compared to one death in this planet. It can only be compared to that of Nelson Madiba Mandela in South Africa.
Sad, and what I know and what believe that Kenya will never remain to be the same without him. It will take us time to heal and to cover up everything. It is not about ODM, it's not about Luo. This is about Africa and Kenya as a whole and all tribes of Kenya. I'm so sad.
Gieno moro kabena gogoyo kijira iwik chanduk liel pa Raila Odinga mo ati kilobo India kama enota ye lawo. Lok matika nyote nyurni Raila Odinga to atura karmatuo ochubadono ne. Luako mete ikumlugwa kush kungodora ti ikitmiluako liel pa Raila Odinga ki Jomo Kenyatta International Airport inge duakone kilobo India. Abembe madon igamente ikene Musalia Mudavadi wali kilorem gen benago bino karachiel kama gen gubiriye otiat madit kama Raila otoye kake kwanye kume ati ki otiat man kikeli ba dege mi Mumbai ilobo India chot ke kobo kikari dege ma ki ilobo Kenya man Kenya Airways kaguchiro ngwech ati midugo ilobo Kenya. Ikit mikelo kum Raila Odinga idiba madit kamano ke wajuni ke bekelo dharma pat parobet ke kara mimi warg mi ageke muduro wo kijimo kene utuke tengba kamano ke tika ke liel onyo chanduk liel pa Raila Odinga. Karibet kumeno dore mikilo kom liel pa Raila Odinga omete anyim. Idiba benegin mo aneno alip kialip palukumo oket kimiel kom ingel gwaku chako chelo muduro kitiagas mabene owano deo mokene. Dano der ki wanya gitimu wane matek tutual kun bene chama wano ngole chochok wano la choa chel muvuro menen chalo ko pe ikom en. Right Honorable Raila Odinga to ke mga Pierre Bor ki oyat mo cheli lobo India kun kwena mitone ukelo dharma pol itenguri ikitmi jemo kun bene ginyuruma kumu ikinjimo kene mapat.
Songa kiasi. Depths of senior government officials, General Gola, so it is the president, the late Mwai Kibaki.
Ikit mikomo President mi Kenya William Samoei Ruto okarko TRT Nina Beach mikomo pe liel Raila Odinga.
As a mark of respect, I have postponed all my public engagements for the coming days, and I ask all other public servants and leaders to do the same.
Eromete Konwachi.
Our former Prime Minister, Raila Amolo Odinga, shall be accorded a state funeral with all attendant honors.
Kamera zo Aki Street kamadano berkadore ye ko charati igang Raila Odinga ibondo kama kiti kibirni yup mikano komenti ka wariye ento kino kono bene dano pong wiye waro. Pilonge mchenye One Luo TV, Pat Robert Larubi.
Elogangea mamaro biachara House of Ojok man orme biachara mo chake mwagari yongech ikom karaman dong tikelo li mabup tual ke bolo to der kadam ken magiti teach House of Ojok kame yube kalara iroma malo Ojok Moses Walter mani tirwed House of Ojok kalar mamako karamateko chwale owani mono chako timo biachara mani komal melo Uganda piani mono tien mapole niang ni mono kalara tika yot ko mabebo dan dak ben tiker matimo biachara iroma malo en wilo kalara na kadong yubu do kalar mapiki madama Paul Maro Kamala Church pa One Luo TV Jonizani ucharachon oberbin minwakolok en ki Ojok Walter men yang House of Ojok chakaningo neno gitikwene ilo kombia chakadong benadongo chuk me kalara ikomalo melobo Uganda kombiti ilo rangia me biachara.
Ojok tiyo ki jima fura palufu mai te der matika konyo ilo kerge matek tutual kon wilo kalar ge kayobu ka kere chupa ka charro man pire tek tutual ni bulu mier gu yabwange meneno kid ma mier gi il kerge kerge yo melongo limpi gi kengi chalo kid ma Ojok chako ni Walter Moses Ojok matirwet aus Ojok magi yubo kalara uyek matek kenyeng ni Ojok ni wajuni e wilo kalara ki bodlufu mai kin pin kai Dok tika kilele mabe Kenya yo teach bot bulu mu kene bene.
So right now for the last 2 months we have been doing about 7.5 million shillings. The main markets that we supply is Gulu. Gulu has been our biggest base. But of course there's neighboring towns we supply in Kitgum. If you went to Kitgum, most supermarkets have our products. If you went to Lira, most supermarkets have our products, even Ajumani. And we supply all the Sinabel supermarkets. So if you went to all the Sinabel supermarkets in Kampala, you'll equally find our products. But then we are launching an outlet in Arua next month. So we have 2 types of chili that we use. We use the habanero chili, that one we buy it fresh. Averagely, that goes for 3,000 shillings a kilo. Off season, of course, it can shoot up to 5K, but averagely 3,000. And then we have the chili powder. For chili powder, we use African Bad Eye, the local chili. Now, for that one, it ranges between 7,000 to 13,000, 1 kilo.
Barbara Adong latija cheli au Ojok wajuni tikenyu tika loko kwone weko kumkani tika chulu kwan palatine ka chel kichene mukene konye mi saving.
Wayubo kala chili oil, chili powder, with chili sauce. Kala mo yubo sauce kikela banero. Matie chali nyanyani. Ma chili green pepper mating. And town kikelo walua ko walua. Odo, ko odo, chiwa kera kong pinera rio mo kong for ibake kong pinera rio. Yin kayon chidong matero. Chalo misos ne chelo ramo kayuko maramo kilo piarbo. Oya lao ko na yun piane. A chow man of fura penya senior for man to Jenny dog, Konya. Take a guacagilla tena, take a latte.
Tijman piti kakonyo Ojok keken ento wabene bulu mukene ma eno choyogi teach.
My name is Abaluana Vivian and I'm the administrative assistant for House Ojok. Of course, House Ojok is employing the youth I personally, I'm a youth. I was a fresh graduate from Gulu University before I came here. As employed, I'm working with House of Joke, and it's helping to. I should say they should start looking up for opportunities, and in case they're able to start up something, they should start up something to improve on their lives. Because it's helping me with leveling up my standards of living, the needs, improving on my needs. With this job, I'm able to acquire some of the essential goods, mostly food, shelter, and medical.
Luil kono wajo ningo e kum kalar pa ojok kidmano gien gubilu kwede.
My name is Yosona Abu Gale. I'm a consumer of the product of House Ojok, and preferably I take the sauce as my best because of course there are tests and preparations in everything that we do. So this product, I believe, to my taste, and since I have opportunity to test products from other companies like the American products, like the American garden oil and other products, I believe this is a very affordable price at that. If you can't get the American products, then I believe House of Joke products are at a bargain for that because the quality that the product has inside is unmatched. And with the perception of people that good things can't come out of Uganda, I think Ojo can be a very good disclaimer. If you've never had a taste of this, I believe you're missing out. Take an opportunity. 6,000 is not a lot of money to lose for a product of this quality.
Man benetie me iluker palufu magifur kalar ikumal melobu Uganda nongu chuk chokbord gi man chuk pakalar pa ojok ka chel kilufu tila mal tutwal ikumalo melobu Uganda wai but Uganda mukene kama ojok charo ye kamlara ne Piwan Luo TV Jonisani Ochaka Chon Igulu City.
Mapat kimeno bene dano makibero ilogiri kidong lubiachar magiti area men kimit ni mon gament mdera ya Riwa City onen kit me yupo chuk madit man makikom chuk matida makilon mon Kambala weko loke odok chuk iroma malamo bene dongo kerme biachara enik area meno iloke botu One Luo TV Harriet Abizuyo matila chate chuk Kambala owani mon kachakimi rompa chuk mano bene kerme chato jema pool dok bene dongo kerapala biachara matina magiti kin pajo Kibelufu magiti kingang enologo bot Robert Ariaka. Abizuyo wani mono chuk man gachiki gero bokona matek lo chat kidio mkene magabion kawil tutwala ikara manoko chui matek pieni mon lo chat wil giyela yele kiloko mgwako cham makidong jim magen gicharo mero kiloko mbebiro.
The benefit which I got from this market is so they are bringing for us the resources like food items and some garden we rent and then we dig, so that is the profit, the benefit which you get from this market.
Eno wani mono guri makupo kindan ki Kambala market benti maraj omerokan ke yup ka wek dong omed malo kit metimo biachara.
Yeah, it should be built because sometimes when it is the season of rain, people can suffer and they doesn't know where to go, and what their product which they are selling, and it will be difficult for them to transport and keep them.
Alfred Bayo won komel se achel matiko no karan I Kambala village mabene ti en area kama Kambala ti ye manchuki owani mono bebe palo chat peti mabedo to ale pieni pol kare peko berutie idero megwo jami. Bayo owani mono biachara ti mabe ni woki bot burema Uganda kidong burema Congo ento peko tin mono loj me Congo gitoro chente ke bot joma yake Uganda ka gitero chuki en gitero jema megi teng chuk matie ilobo Congo kuno. Ndiye makichare chuk manne poleti jami ya chama chale Muranga la bolo gwana anyugi kal kidong la yata kijemo kene benuti ye bon jami terme ot kidong jamo kene madano tiyu kwere ikuwa manino duju.
Actually, on business side, the business is going well. Sometimes these people of Congo, they are also putting roadblocks there on their side. They are collecting money. from the people who are coming to market, which is not good. Because this road is not only used by Congolese.
Bayo omerni mono district no chilling makar million piara biaro ki chukman ento dong tikla pain pingo pechente man ki duogo bodan mako jogo enchend ni eni weki will nyoki med ke rupa chuk giged obed ichuk ki roma ikarman.
Bada, it is true, this district is getting a lot of money. Let me say, in a year like this, if they give market on tender, they can get like 80 million from this market. But for them, they don't bother about the road, whether the road is bad or what, they don't bother about it.
Kache kitiero gedo chuk Kambala odoro chuk madito chwal matiki ki odi mabejo obo miyu tibu kidhene kabere me gwoko jempalo chat gwo yot kompadan mabe kabere no bebelti mabe pijo magicharo doki wil en ki chuk achelim. Kambala ti chuk manol wil maaki lobo South Sudan, DR Congo, kidong Uganda, area mea jumani moyo yumbe koboko madio kolon nebi kidong zombo, ikin district mogo mati West Nile. Pilokom biachara Iwanlu Television, Robert Ariaka. Turo Pagulu University ki Makere University yoti rochung wakata karma ono tulturo mukenman mon University go awaki pieme mwaka eni turo me Pepsi University Football League mwaka turo alibre pirwa bicha libario pierwa bichel Gulu University yo mirono toki mob sitini chiangwen ni ba turo mati Kampala mando wero ala kati yo wero tindong St. Lawrence University ayo turo kimos meka Gulu University pian bano po berker meturo en Muni University. David Magere take a report from Aturo.
Kuon magien no gitika yope mechero katugu gi Makere University Business School si Kampala iturugi me nambario. I Pepsi Inter University Football League pi mwaka turu man alibario gi Piru Beach el kono. Timu dilu me Gulu University dong pego bochere turu man pian turu man oran wakata inge Muni University man ogen gitie kwed gi gruba chel a wakoki turu man. Inone Gulu University no kon lo turgi me namba chel sabera rienge chikar magen go golera University gola chel kumnil turmo teme ki ba turpa Gulu University Gulu City ma wer gerno donguno point dek woro ikom teams a big ma no giti group D I draw me mwaraman inone lok ma aki bolo loch ma do turme Pepsi Inter University League me mwaraman kon go moroni a Pamuni University do wer vu ma tek 12 pene group me no ti teams a beach ma do ikom kare mano dong team angwen keke ma we alaka tie mote mewa ho I group meno dong meka kagien Gulu University no turo moves nyo Makere University Business School moves do buturgi St. Lawrence University meka Muni University madongo a waho lokon ma aki bodlo lojman mogoni pero mo we Muni University me Rua City a wahoni yane gen gurwenyo ngat man odor turo gen gurwenyo din ngat ma ngiyo lok mi turo University meno ma we dong eo mi moral mi mir total pi University man me chwalo turugi turumeno don loka man kono wero group D don giti mangwende ken ma NAA Makere University Business School St. Lawrence University Lira University kachiel ke Gulu University kon lok ma aki bolo fonye turu mukene mogoni a pa Muni University do dwa moral gi ben peng to 12 piano dwa ko kero gi mechera nyim mauno kakare ke ni I group men gi bi kwanyo team achiel ke ken ben mugisha la fonye turu pa Gulu University kono wajo ni aloka man rach igi to 12 piano gen gitamne kanu tiyo I group men na machelo lo gi bi ber ki kar maket to 12 gi bi tiyo turu gi na mario Yone wanta Gulu University ili alifanya na tuo kwa chelo yone jo do no to chelo kila kwa yabu na Maria Rio so wantu mo chelo da tu tuchangane no beto na Maria wamekwa yone ngene ko no ngo unano ke fa ngo jo warga Gulu University ngala ruwa no tu mo meke ni ma no beto ne kono ga chane dan Lawrence gi Makere University Business School kono go to ka kenge chelo moves no down to chelo ngeno ka da na so chelo no furo do me tuo no do to na Maria Rio ya do to na Matera Bear fujo na tiene fujo mo ya no to ga jene go fujo do tira badana wen ya ni do duonga ni do piero bi go when la wa chiro so na da to wen ya ya go ak ngeni to do mo to na gete ya na ya mi badana wen ya lo ko mara la wa po cherni olo man miu kar me yupe ni nin kidong
ma mi a ko ne ukero ko gor teno chan ga ne no our group they full university for the one and then ne ko mu ga da bichire and no jet when you do see the gane I do find na machira wenya kungua bichile kama Mary da Rio the second best runner up the Mary and the lab to be down bora no you come down na Maria Rio maga ko mo kerni no balo me ko piano wa tu man now to do wa to da so we got na Mario no me no do that bora and me no you mo ka na machi
ino konodong malope ki round Mario en Igulu University football gituro kon ke kor fixa magi bi yari gituro me round ma dek ma botime kin me cha Rio keken yupo ni Igulu University pi mar maromo adek angwen dongu beru katuta twal me kargi group stage me chero katuku knockouts me inter university league ento pe beru katwere ento neno pamugisha tieni kani ngo imwa katuku man alebere ki pure beach el mergi tote ma tek twal we ginnon ka beru i quarter final me man lorange kumture wan luo TV David Magere Igulu City
Mapat kimeno ibake mailo malaromi turo dilo panyi hermano dila goya kinpacho tutwale Igulu City club makiloini mono secretariat ladies FC donguti roneno kitmetemo tien pilotina nyara para bichel magatiki ker nyobene miri mituro en ilo bachuli Dennis Oriema la fonturo maben enti langi teaching your sports administrator pa club mano weni mon kitiki ker mailo ker panyi lokom turo dokumana wakete gecharo kono yometemo tien panyira ochake mwakapario Karibu mwakapao ya boro watiki report man kombete yup melurangi mojwin
Inge miyo luo mitemo tien ilok megweo dilu pa nyira kimon ikumalo me Uganda ikin medwe achiel mokarang'ech timu dilo kigang kwan Secretariat Ladies Football Club nyo secondary school utiyo temo tien lutiena nyira matieno markara pa itote giminene gi ilu kero dogini kino ludire gweo dilo mapola ta magukane kin gang menene ultogi don lok megweo dilo ikumal me Uganda tutwale lobacholi inoni Secretariat Ladies Football Club kachiel ki Secretariat Secondary School no gomi oluo bora nyira mamako chaka pawi ario me uya par bor mechere team meno katemo tiengi wekono gi niang nyogi nong jo magiromo gweo dilo mabet twal me konyo donye team mamegi ivude mapapat machali Secondary School kachiel ki Football Club Dennis Oriema Mati Sports Administrator Dok Bene la Fonturo pa Secretariat Secondary School kono mogoni karmagi miyo luo dwe ariange chikono gino tuka pawi abishel kolo mago bino katem tiangi team meno ente kuma pa abishel meno gino olotolo to maroma dek mangej gitila mal tutwal madongi tiro jole gi team meno
they responded up to the total number was up to 16
maybe even with or without hosting right tamoni yo makomen bi mete meneno sporting talent iloker megwe dilupalo tera nyira nyomoni kumal me Uganda
wabe mete kere tene wabete ni wakon dano wabena dano ni kin macho be timo dalo be dilobini even the late can do it so don't let kenano kompeto dilupamoni Uganda don and wana mete be wabet chalo la wangdano kumal me Uganda meneno minyo tibe ni kara ebe wen twere garwe sai pamon
magi kene mi tami bot lunyoro panyira ma futu go dongo chen ni karpe gwe dil ka ken
you know why you made any lunywan kumbeti pere tekni la jola chela merungiri ko mala tete timo mabe yen kenano karwa new curriculum medeni yen la nywan kala tena wachana meta update kikide yende you support that child we want him achieving goal by enrollment so kwacha por lunyore ni kaiden la tenya ga motiki kale body itu go monyo discipline body let us try to support where o il turn again you never know kumbeti kenano tena nyala mogo matuwe club kwa mogo tuka para kule no tena nyamu the big 23M 1.0 money 2 million that is a lot of money maramo ke la for the family
alope gilok poria makono tote meno bertie yop menene oloto gino talents matiken gang doge elok met to dilo iko malome Uganda poria matia ne Paul Karil gwe dilo nyo lok met to pamon gineno chalo gin mapera petek tutwal mo we gen ma chalo school nyo gi club gi kati wo ge der manyen madok yop meno bi meta mere menene oloto ka ni ngom anyira matien magitigi mot megwe dilo gi to mukene ni no gi kel gi kama leng wek bene gin gu non kony machalo meno eno ter ni school tigi je mukene ma gen timo machalo miyo bashari sikin je mukene bora nyira meno mapucha mukene no gi ai gang mano patie ki ker tutwal ma wego gen gi kwano nono kono gen gi miyo kony mamege machalo togo iyo achiel menene gi don togo inoni secretary ladies bene kumkar man gi tika tote me korgwe dilo me fufa women regional league togo man magin tika yenyo yo ki ieme dokchen igwe dilo madit mena mario pamoni Uganda man finance trust bank fufa women elite league maono gen gi dwoge wako penki yenyo relegation go gi ma togo mukaro alibario gi piru ngwen alibario gi piru beach kama gen pego botogo togo many season man gen go tamuni kache gen gi railu togo dokki ilu kergi me dokchen itogo me regional league mabutime tumma man no gi tiatera me dokchen ka gweyo dilo ifufa women elite league don gen gi tege gen ka ni ngo ka togo meno bino gen bi togo matek kilo togo manyen magino menene olo togi no ka bedo itogo meno lo nge kom togi One Luo TV David Magere Igulu City.
Lanen One Luo Television oya giki pa yup melo range mo chweni tini kanki One Luo TV ania Sunday yakumo wipo wile lupo One Luo TV ki social media wati Facebook, YouTube, TikTok kidong X man Twitter machon uwengetie kinying ni mono One Luo TV werinongej mapol makaro botin kono chawa kichawa mweng food dilokom kelo botin kidmatike galawang maake One Luo Television kono ay kabino part mati wilo bokolo ania Sunday akumo afoide toilet neno yup melo range mo chwin iche angwen matini obinoelo range mantiri cha wachel modiko enyim eyup merupintin.